Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I have new friend. What is your name?
Reza,
Risa. How old are you?
29.
29 years old. Are you single or married?
Not single, but have a fiance.
Taken.
Yeah.
Okay. How many years or a month with together your fiancé?
2 years
2 years? How you meet your fiancé?
through dating app like Christian Filipina.
Okay. So you join for the Christian Filipina, your pay or free?
No, he's the one to pay so that
Mm-mm.
I can message free and then I can read the message free.
Okay. So like how many months or a year before you find your fiance in the dating site? How you find? How many months before you find your fiance in dating site?
No, maybe it's just like 6 months or
6
something.
months?
Mm-mm.
So you find she messaged with you or the first? You're the first.
Me.
You? And then?
And then when the first time I messaged him like I said hi or something, and
Mm-hmm.
then we are changing a message, and then there's a time that he was block me right
Huh?
away. And then he said like, if you always disturbing me, I'm gonna block you right away, and then
Mm.
he gonna block me right
Okay.
then, and
Okay.
then and then maybe that time that he was something problem or what.
Okay.
And then that's the reason like he blocked me because he was get scammed before in Christian
Ah,
Filipina that
his experience for the scam. The
mm,
Filipina?
yeah, in Kuanda, Mindanao.
In the Mindanao.
Mm.
I see. So
Like
you mean your fiancé now, before he experienced for the scam. So
mm,
that's why he's very careful.
yeah, that's why he think that I'm asking money, but no.
I
But
see.
that time because
Mm.
maybe he think like oh maybe like he's coming me again
Mm-mm.
because that time I'm just studying like college or something third year that time,
Okay.
and then maybe he think like I'm a scammer again, so he's
Okay.
scared. So he said like, if you message me again, I'm
Oh,
gonna block you right away. So he gonna block me almost 5 days.
5 days.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then when we go to the school, like I'm using my classmate's SIM card so that
Mm-mm.
I text him, and then he said,
Ah,
"For you" or something. Who's
okay.
this? And then I
Okay.
said like, I'm just using the SIM card or number so that I can message you. And then he
Okay.
said like, you don't understand. I don't want to text me or something. So he blocked
Okay.
me
Oh
again.
my God.
Oh,
So two times he blocked
oo.
you.
Yeah,
Oh
two
my God.
times.
And then?
And then I don't know what in his mind that time that he unblocked. No, I'm the one forcing like, can you please unblock me or something?
Mm-mm.
I'm the one finding a way to make him unblock me, and then maybe the time that he proved that I'm not a scammer like what
Mm.
the ladies, that's almost a big money that is come to him before that. It's just like for getting visa or something, that lady said
So
like,
you mean your fiancé experienced for the scam Filipina
mm-mm.
for sending the money for processing the visa like that?
Yeah, and then that
Oh,
lady said like, she asking money and money and money for processing the
oh,
visa, and then there's the date like maybe the lady said that there's that that's the date na that she was going to
mm-mm.
America, and then
Okay,
he was believed. So because that time he don't know what's the processing for that one,
okay.
so he's sending money, and
Mm.
then that lady said like, oh, this day I'm gonna go right there na and pick me in the airport. And
Okay,
that time he
okay.
goes to the airport, but the lady doesn't come right there. And then the sad part is the lady asking again 25,000 or
Oh my
15
God.
because he was hold down in the immigration or something.
Oh, another drama.
Yeah, because he
Okay.
bring down those food or perfume that is not allowed in immigration, and then
Okay.
he said like she needs another 15 just to
Mm-mm.
pay that one, and he can out in the immigration, but
Okay.
he don't know if that is the scam, so he's
Mm.
still sending money until he was waiting and waiting until there's nothing coming right
Oh my
there.
God. But he not meet in the person, only meet.
No, in
Oh
the
my.
dating app.
My God. He's
Hmm.
very trust.
Yeah, that's the time that he was like having a trust issue or
Yeah.
something because, oh, why you text me? Maybe you're asking money
Yeah.
again.
Because experienced for the scam.
Hmm.
So he's very like he's a trauma like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a big money because it looks like 100 USD more than that one.
Wow. Hmm. It's
But that's the time like maybe And that's the day that he was come with that lady that the day that I was message him.
Oh my.
That's why I said like, if you always message me, I'm gonna block you right away.
Okay.
Yeah, and then that day he blocked me, and then I said like,
Two times,
what's
three times. How many times? He.
3 times.
Oh my God.
And then I said like, what's wrong? I'm not doing anything. I'm just message, and then
Okay.
I'm finding a way. I'm using my classmate's phone or everything just to
Okay.
message him.
Okay.
I'm telling you, don't bother me right now. But I keep message and message. But right then he was unblocked me, and then that's the started na like we are chatting back and forth,
Ah,
and
okay.
then he
Okay.
was planning to go here around March 2025. Yeah.
Wait, I asking with you, why you not like stop because he's three times for block you? Why you cannot stop for message for your fiance?
That time,
Oh, that time.
I don't know,
Why you're
maybe
very interesting?
because on his profile, like,
Uh,
because he already have 6 kids, and then I see right there, like,
Mm.
I don't know what's in my mind that time, like,
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna pick this guy because I look right there, like, he's a gentleman or
Mm-mm.
something, and a good
Okay.
father to the kids.
Yeah.
That's why that time, like, and that's the only guy that I see in that dating app that I wanted to message, and then
Oh, okay.
I don't know, maybe that's a first love or something.
Oh.
And then, shit, she was like, if you message me and then I calling that one using my number, even if I'm gonna pay,
Okay.
but he's gonna block me again. And then I said, maybe that's not the right one for me,
Yeah.
but
But
no.
how old your boyfriend?
Right now,
Yeah.
he's 68,
68 and you?
29.
29 is young. So do you have a plan for someday for married for the future?
Yeah, we're planning that one, but by May, he
Yeah.
gonna come back right there because he have a health issue, like he was a open heart surgery,
Oh,
and then he needs to go back for uh, check up again if what's happening now,
mm-mm.
because they found right then that he have a aneurysm or something with the
Mm-mm.
heart, and after that one, when he get back around July, that's the time that we're planning for
Oh,
that
I
one.
see. So he have a maintenance for the medicine?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
like he have diabetes, and
Oh,
then high blood,
high
and
blood.
then the medicine for the heart.
Oh, so you mean he have a like three for the what do you
No,
call that?
not only 3, because every time I saw his medicine,
Yeah.
it's all 12 medicine
Oh
right
my,
there
it's a
in
lot.
just, yeah,
But he
that's
have a
12.
problem. Heart, high blood, and
Diabetes.
diabetes.
But the
Oh,
diabetes is insulin.
I see. That is very difficult. The what to call diabetes. Yes.
Yeah, because he's using not the injection for that one, not the medicine.
Oh, I see. For the 1 year for with together your boyfriend, what
Mhm.
is your experience? That is your first time boyfriend, the foreigner.
Yeah.
What is your experience?
It's just like, uh, it's nice the feelings, like, because some Filipinas said like
Mm.
it's nice to have a foreigner boyfriend because
Yeah.
they said like kind, sweet,
Yes.
lovable, compared, but not
Yeah.
all. But with him, he is a kind, and then a
Mm-mm.
good-hearted man, and then
Mm-mm.
he was love kids,
Ah, yeah.
and
Oh,
then he
okay.
was a helpful man. Like,
Mm-mm.
if there's some people asking him, like,
Mm.
he's not like hesitate to give whatever he have.
Uh-uh.
That's the kind of attitude that I like him. Like,
Ah, I
he
see.
was easy to help to people that is needed.
Mm-mm.
That's the one I like to
I
him.
see. So your boyfriend, he's the first time in the Philippines, or?
Yeah, that's his first time.
Oh, I see.
Like, he was go right there around March 2025, and I
Oh,
pick him to the airport in Dumaguete, and that's the
okay.
time that he was like experienced riding tricycle.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, that's his first time. But now, no, he was go here around March, and then he go back by August, the
Oh,
second time, and
mm.
now it's her third time right here.
Oh, I see. And if he come back to the US, like how many months for limit for stay there?
1 month.
1 month only.
Mm-mm.
And then he come back here in the
Yeah, because
Philippines. He love here in the Valencia.
yeah, he
Oh,
loves
I
the
see.
most Valencia.
Yeah, because Valencia is very nice weather here.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
weather is cold,
Yeah. Yeah, and then
peaceful.
yes, especially in public market, Valencia.
Mm-mm.
Every Sunday, Yeah, it's very nice
The
there.
food.
Yes. So, were you the first time to meet to your boyfriend? What were your feeling? You meet in the airport?
Yeah, that's the time that it feels like nervous and shaking
Wow.
because like, oh my God. And then it makes me shocked because they said like the face in phone and the
Oh.
face in personal is different.
Why?
So because he's just handsome na in the phone.
Ah.
And then when I met him in the airport, I said like, is that him? It looks like the same. It's not like the same. But
Yeah.
the time that when I'm calling him and then he picked up the phone, so I said, oh my God, that's him.
Ah.
And then it's like the same, like, oh, the phone is not like, his face is not like that on the phone.
I think he's using before the old
Filter.
picture, like that. Old picture.
No, because we are always doing video call or something.
Ah,
And then
okay.
I said like, you cannot tell the eye a person like that's his
Oo.
original face on the phone
Okay.
unless you can see that one on person.
Yeah.
Like his eyes is so blue, and then in the phone it
Oh.
looks like black or brown. And then oh, I'm shocked, and then I'm just nervous that time.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm gonna do because that's the first time, and he also like
Mm.
he's shaking that time because you know he was get scammed
Yeah,
before.
yes.
And then all his daughters back in America like
Mm.
don't like him to go right here because they said like maybe their dad gets scammed again right here.
Yeah. Because it's very dangerous if you're again you experience for the scammer.
Yeah, and then he proved that one the
Oh.
time that I pick him up right there and we take pictures together and he sent
Good.
that one.
Yeah.
Their kids right there is peaceful na, and then
Wow,
they
it's
have peace of
nice.
mind
It's nice.
because no, their daughters doesn't like him to go right here, but
I
as he
see.
said, he loved Philippines, so he
Yes.
go right here.
Yeah, because the Philippines is very nice for retirement for the foreigner. Yes.
Compare right here, all her daughter is all have married na, and he
Mm.
was alone together with the
Oh.
dog.
You don't have a ex-wife?
He have three.
Huh?
He have three wives plus six daughters.
Wow, it's a lot.
That's why ganit.
Very strong.
That's why they said like each wife like they have two kids, and then
The other one.
yeah, the other one is two again, and the last one is two. That's why they said like, oh, maybe next time you have another two kids. That's eight.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but I don't know if he can make two.
But do you have a plan for the someday you have a kid with your
Yeah.
partner? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
he wants to have two only or one. That's
I
fine.
see. Because the foreigner is very beautiful, no? The
Mm.
blood, yes. Especially the eyes,
Yeah, we
nose.
get insecure if we get some Filipina like carrying a baby. I said, oh, we need to make that one. But he said next time. But I don't know if he can make because their age.
But you're 29, right? So
Yeah, but their
he's
age.
young. But he's the 68, right?
Mm-mm.
So I think he's give for the baby with you.
Yeah, but because there's some no that they
Yeah.
are just around 70, they can make for the baby.
But he don't have a baby.
Hmm?
You're pure single.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. But do you have a niece or nephew?
yeah, we have.
Oh, okay. Yes. So what do you like to advise to senior Filipina for like the your mother is single, right? You told me.
Yeah, but she was also like dead mom with the foreigner because the foreigner she was sexy. I don't know what I know. She's not sexy like she's have a big belly right here.
But your mother, how old she?
She was 53 right now.
It's not old. It's young.
Yeah, but she loves to have a foreigner, but she said like maybe she stopped
So
now.
you mean your father is dead?
Yeah, when I was like 1 years old because of
Oh,
the
so long. She's
Yeah.
so long for the single.
Mm-mm.
And then now
She
she's
have a lot of chatmates like expat, but I don't know, like it's only on dating apps, on like chatting and chatting, but never been meet or something.
But your mother is how tall your mother?
It's just like for 11,
Oh, it's small.
mm-mm.
So how what is your height?
Maybe 5'2" or 5'1".
So you mean you similar my height because I'm 5'2".
Where
But
did-
you look small with me. I think you're 5'1".
Yeah, but he said I'm for 11.
Your mother?
No, Randy said I'm for 11, but I said no, I'm 5.
Oh,
Maybe 5, not 5'2", but 5'1", like that.
Oh, I see.
For 11 is like mom.
Yeah, very small.
Small.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
But very small is very nice. Very cute.
Yeah, but That's why maybe because she was not like skinny type or something.
Like your mom is like, what is size your mom? How many pounds your mom?
Not 60 now. She was like 58 pounds.
58.
But the skinny is just around 40, 45.
Oh, it's not fat.
But she is like 58. But
Oh.
our body weight is just like 40 plus, no?
Oh, okay. So your mom, what is she doing? What's she doing in the house?
No, she was, right now, she was waiting to go back to Saudi because she was an OFW right there.
I see. Like how many years you working in the
6
outside?
years?
6 years?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. So like how many years stay your house? No work.
Right now, it's almost 1 year.
1 year?
Going 1 year.
Oh, okay. So
She did that one on purpose so that she can get relaxed for a while
yeah,
and then
it's
go
good
back
for
right
1 year
there.
for relax.
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. But you, all your sibling is grow up. You don't have a young sister like that.
No, I have sister, but she already have a baby and she already get married
Okay.
with a Filipino.
How many do you have a sibling?
2.
Two. I see.
We don't have a baby.
You're the eldest,
Yeah.
and then the next is the youngest.
We don't have
Okay.
brothers.
Oh, all girls. I see. So, hey, you have a channel, right?
Yeah.
Your boyfriend. Okay. Can you promote us the name?
Uh, can you please guys support Randy's Philippines Journeys channel? Please, we need just like almost how many subscribers we have right now? It's just like 737,
So need like
200 plus.
600. So need like 400.
Yeah.
Because in requirement in YouTube like 1,000 subscriber before your and then
Getting
you can watch
monetized.
the video for get the monetization.
They said like if you are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000
Yeah,
watch time
4,000 watts hour. Yeah.
you already monetized.
Yes. So you mean how many video you upload already?
We have uploaded those rice gani. We have 30,000 views.
Wow, it's big.
Mm-mm.
I see.
But
Like
our
many-
subscribers is 700 only.
like how many minutes the video?
That's a long video, not
It's
short.
good. So you means almost you're monetized.
But we only have, we need 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, you need to 400 because you have 600 subscribers, right?
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
our problem right now because we have a views, but our problem is subscribers.
Hey, very important the views.
Huh?
Yeah. If you are 1,000, if you have the 1,000 subscriber and then your views is bigger, that is very important.
Yeah, the other one is 30K and the
Wow.
other one is 4,500.
It's good.
But
Yeah.
our subscribers is still stuck.
Yes, it's very important the views. Yeah.
And
If you are get the 1,000 subscriber and your views is very highest, it's the very perfect that. Yeah.
so once we get 1,000, we get monetized right quick.
yeah, if you already the 4,000 watts hour is done, you'll get already the monetization. Yeah, monetized. Yeah.
That's all we need because every time like we uploaded and
What
then
kind of video you upload? What kind of the video?
his niche is like his journey in the Philippines.
Okay.
Like that video is giving rise to the neighbor in Casa Valencia.
Okay. It's good.
And the other one is hire the first time visa extension for his passport.
Okay.
That's it. And then
okay.
I said like, why the people don't subscribe? They only watch. So we need 1,000.
But it's okay because you told me if you have the views 30,000, right? It's good. Yeah, yeah.
So only
If you get the 1,000 subscriber, it's okay because your views is big.
yeah, but
Yeah.
we need to fulfill the watch time hours.
Yeah. I think you need to always.
Our watch time now is
You can try just only one every day live
Short.
stream. Live stream.
he don't like live stream.
I don't like. Like
I'm the one to forcing him like to do live. I don't know why.
like your live stream like 20 minutes like that short live. Yeah.
Every day.
Every day. Yeah, just
We
my
did that
advice.
one.
Yeah. Yeah.
How did you get real quick? No.
Me before? It's not quick. It's getting like I think 1 year or 2
How many years na you started?
3 years.
Oh, that's so long.
Yeah, so long. And then hard work.
Yeah.
Yes.
Upload.
Yes.
Patience is the key.
Yes.
Yeah. Sometimes you said like, oh, I'm tired. I said, no, you don't need to get tired. You need to live. And then he
But do
said,
you like to video? Do you like to,
Yeah.
for the vlogger?
Mm.
Oh, okay. So you mean you like the entertain to the people for the answer the comment?
yeah, that's what he liked too. And then
Oh, okay.
we tried to go to Boulevard last week just to give the flowers to the lady. But
Oh, okay.
there's 3 ladies right there, like we're buying sunflowers in Boulevard. So
Oh.
he buy around 15 gani. And
15 flowers?
Oo.
That's a lot.
And then we give that one to the lady that we meet. And
Okay.
there's 3 ladies right there, like he
Oh.
said, why they're not accepting my flowers? And then I said, maybe they scared or something. Yeah, but they don't accept the flowers. So I said,
Like how old the girl?
they are not young. They are just like around 20s,
Ah, okay.
25. Yeah, and then I said, maybe they don't like you or something. Maybe
Oh.
they are scared because they said, why this guy giving flowers?
Yeah.
For what?
Ah, I see. I see. I think he's shy like that because other Filipino is shy, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Yeah, but there's a lot not, no. Because today they are using TikTok.
oh yeah,
They're
TikTok.
dancing in the TikTok, YouTube.
Very famous in TikTok now. Yes. Because it's
But it's easy in YouTube. You get monetized and you get famous. Not
yeah,
like
but in TikTok you need to be careful, girl.
Huh?
Yeah. It's not allowed for the kids for like dancing.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Need to be careful. Yes. So that is guys to my interview to Risa.
Please subscribe, run this channel,
Yes,
run this
guys.
Philippines journey.
Yes, and the next is my husband for interview to Risa. And see you there guys. Bye-bye.
Subscribe.